I'd say the biggest myth of big data is that it's accurate. Again, we tend to measure, right, and index, right, to figure out like what does this data that we're collecting actually mean. You know, I saw a presentation at an iMedia conference from a mobile vendor who was talking about how they're creating household profiles across billions of impressions on hundreds of millions of devices to establish a group of mobile devices as a household unit based on their geographic proximity during the sleeping hours.
Oh, cool.
Right? So, you know, me and my wife and my kids, you know, we've all got phones, we've all got iPads, and based on them being in the same geolocation, they're identifying us as a household. Then if I go to Chuck E. Cheese, they would say, okay, your index goes from 1 to 1.1 for having a family with kids, right? If I go to Nordstrom, maybe my index for being a higher income bracket goes up, right? And then they take all this data, right, and they optimize the shit out of KPIs, right? And when you've got billions of impressions, you can do that. But for us to think that they actually know what my household is very flawed, right? Let's just, simple example, right? What if I live in a building, right? And there's 40 stories of people, right, in my family. Now, there may be some value in optimizing that group of people toward a behavior, but to say that you have an accuracy of what that big data is representing is flawed.